Abundant living. Why go through life as though it were something to be endured, as though there were not enough good or joy to go around? Are we not always limiting the possibility of love and affection, of appreciation, and of the common everyday good things of life? If we really are in union with the divine source, then there should come a feeling of abundance in everything we do, an abundance of friendship, of self-expression, of everything. The abundant life contains all things, whether we call them big or little. We should sense the flow into our consciousness of divine intelligence, a feeling that the creative imagination of the whole universe is centered in us and flowing through us. We should consciously practice this more abundant life, not necessarily for any specific thing or good we desire, but for the realization of the all good flowing through everything and everyone. Attuning our consciousness to this divine abundance, automatically we find a betterment in everything we do, a broader and deeper experience, a higher realization, and a greater good. Today, I expect a more abundant life. I am keeping my whole mind and thought and expectation open to new experiences, to happier events, to a more complete self-expression. Giving out more love, I expect greater love in return. Sharing with others whatever good things I have, I expect all life to share with me the good that it possesses. Seeing beauty everywhere, I expect a revelation of still more beauty. Seeing joy in everything, I expect more laughter. More deeply sensing the divine tranquility in which all things exist, I expect a deeper consciousness of peace and security. Through it all, I feel that I am in the embrace of a warm, loving presence, forever seeking an outlet through me. Thou openest thy hand, and satisfy the desire of every living thing. Psalm 145:16.